Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we answer the toughest and most thought-provoking questions from the Bible. Today, we're diving into a question that has echoed through the corridors of human history for millennia. Who is God? For thousands of years, people around the world have asked one of life's biggest questions: who is God? Some have looked up to deities like the ancient civilizations did, worshipping gods of the sun, moon, and sea. Today, millions around the world follow different faiths, each with its own understanding of the divine. But the Bible points to one God who is above all others. Who is He? What makes Him unique? And why does it matter for your life today? In this video, we'll explore the Bible's answer to one of humanity's oldest questions: who is God? Let's dive in. God's name. The Bible does not present God as nameless or distant. In fact, He introduces Himself with a personal name. In Isaiah 42:8, God says, "I am Jehovah. That is my name." The name Jehovah comes from the Hebrew word that means He causes to become. It expresses that He is the one who can fulfill His purposes and promises. And here's something amazing. His name appears over 7,000 times in the scriptures. That shows He wants us to know Him not just as a God or a Lord, but as a personal being who invites us into a relationship. What makes Jehovah different? So what makes Jehovah different from the many gods people have worshipped? The Bible gives us powerful reasons. He is the Creator. Revelation 4:11 says, "You are worthy, Jehovah, you created all things." Unlike idols of stone or mythological gods, Jehovah made the universe, the earth, and all life on it. He is eternal. Psalm 92:2 says, "From everlasting to everlasting, you are God. He had no beginning, and He will have no end." That sets Him apart from everything else that exists. He is the Almighty. No one has greater power. Jeremiah 32:17 says, "Nothing is too wonderful for you." All other powers, whether political, spiritual, or natural, are temporary, but Jehovah's power is unlimited, and His existence is eternal. God's titles vs His name. The Bible calls Jehovah by many titles: Lord of Lords, King of Kings, Almighty. Each one describes His qualities, but His name Jehovah reveals His identity. Think of it like this: a king may be called Your Majesty, but his personal name tells you who he is as a person. In the same way, knowing God's name makes Him real, personal, and approachable, not just a powerful force, but someone who wants to be known. Why this matters to you? You might be wondering, why does it matter to know God's name or who He is? Here's why. Knowing God's name builds trust. You're not just praying to an unknown force, you're talking to Jehovah, who hears and cares. It reveals His qualities. The Bible says He is loving one, John 4:8, just Deuteronomy 32:4, wise Romans 11:33, and powerful Jeremiah gems pool, lewat 12 menit. It gives hope. Jehovah promises to bring peace to the earth, wipe away tears, and end suffering. Revelation 21:3-4. Knowing who God is helps us make sense of life's struggles. It reminds us that despite the pain we see in the world, there is a loving Creator who has a plan, a God who wants a relationship. The most powerful truth about Jehovah is this: He wants a relationship with you. Psalm 68:5 calls Him a father to the fatherless, a helper to the helpless. He isn't distant. He wants to guide, protect, and care for His people. That means no matter who you are or where you're from, you can come to know the Creator of the universe by name. So who is God? According to the Bible, His name is Jehovah, the eternal Creator, the Almighty, the God of love and justice, and the one who wants you to know Him. What do you think? Does knowing God's name change how you see Him? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Follow us for more thought-provoking content. Don't forget to share this video with friends who are curious about God and want to know Him better. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of faith and spirituality. We're always eager to hear your thoughts and insights, so keep the conversation going in the comments section. Your engagement helps us continue to create meaningful content that matters to you. Until next time, remember to keep asking questions. Your journey of discovery is just beginning. Thanks for watching.